I'm often asked, why should I get an attorney? And the immediate response I give is for a higher settlement. And really that's the bottom line. Attorneys, they have the reputation, they have the knowledge, and to get higher settlements. So you could have a small pie and have the whole thing if you self-represent, or you can have a smaller portion of a bigger pie. And the smaller portion would be like 70% of a bigger pie. But the pie is so much bigger when you have an attorney help you settle your case. There's all kinds of data about the settlement values attorneys get versus a private individual. And I worked for State Farm for years as an adjuster, and I can tell you that as an adjuster, we paid attorneys a lot higher settlements than we paid private individuals. And most of it's just because they just don't know. They don't know what the case is worth. They don't know the key intricate parts of what makes the value of a case worth more than another case. And so to have an attorney evaluate your case, it's also important to have an attorney tell you the pitfalls of your case, help you steer around those. So insurance companies want you to settle with them without an attorney. A lot of times they'll actually go to the scene of the accident and offer you money. And the problem is, most of the time you don't know that you're hurt at that point. A lot of times accidents are a lot like running for the first time or working out of the gym for the first time. You're super, super sore the next day, and your muscles and bones and different things just don't fix themselves like that. And so what ends up happening is you don't know how bad you're injured. People sign waivers saying, I waive all my rights for $500, and they have no idea that they may have an annular tear or a bulge in their neck. And that no one's the wiser until a few days or weeks down the road when you find out that the real injuries start to show themselves, because they don't start getting better and the pain continues. And so it's really sad when that happens, that the insurance companies kind of jump on it on the idea that you just don't know. And so it's a huge value to have an attorney that has gone through these kinds of cases before. I was an insurance adjuster, and we were, super happy when clients didn't have attorneys because they didn't know what the case was worth.